Hello everybody, this is Khashar. Welcome to part 4 of Bookstore Manager. So I'm going to continue developing our backend script, but before that let's import pprint, pretty print. So from pprint import pprint, because we can have nicer output for our view function. So instead of print view, we can say pprint the view function. And I just delete everything from our database and add new books this way. So we have 3 books, book 1, author 1, and all of them are in 2000, and they have the same price. The reason I did it because I want to have a search, I want to write a search function, and also I want to have my update function, so this is easier to follow. Okay, and I think some of my neighbors, they start to fix something in their home, so you can hear some stuff working, or I don't know, drilling to the wall or something. Anyway, alright, then now define search, and these are our usual work here. It's tree dot connect to books dot database, and cursor equal connection dot cursor. And now cursor dot execute, we are going to select everything from book table where title equal placeholder or author equal placeholder. The reason we are using or, because we can search by title or by author or by price or by publishing year, so any of them can be an indicator, a base for our search. And or year equal placeholder or price equal placeholder. And here we need to pass our arguments or parameters, which are title, author, year, and price. And one more parentheses, and we are done. So the result, we have to save the result in our array, which here is rows, and rows equal cursor dot fetch all, and we close the connection, and at the end we return the rows. So basically that can give us the result that we are looking for. And also we need to pass our parameters here, title, author, and year, and price. But when we call the function now, we are running into one error, and I will show you how to fix it. So let's comment out this pretty print here, and now let's say, okay, search by title equal, for example, book 1. And when we run the code now, as you see, type error, search function missing 3 required positional arguments, author, year, and price. So what's the solution? Because here we insert 4 parameters, but here we refer only to 1 parameter. So the trick is, every time we are going to search by any of these parameters, we have to provide a value for other missing parameters. So here we can, that missing value can be empty string. So we just equal all those parameters to empty string, even the year and price, which they are integer. So hopefully we won't have any problem here anymore. And fetch all, maybe I have some typo something. This is my typo. Here should be fetch all, so TC not CT. Okay, my mistake. And now one more time. Actually we don't have any result because we have to print our search, so I'm going to print the search and save my code. And yeah, as you see, it returns us book 1 with author 1, 2000, and price is 100, and primary key is 1. Okay, then our search function working as we expected. Let's take care of the update. So define update. For update, we need to think of what is the base of our update. We can update any record based on the title, author, year, or price, or the best way would be update by ID, which is our ID primary key, which we provided here. So this unique ID is very useful now. Alright, then I'm going to comment this out also. And in update, let's create a connection equal Sqlite 3 dot connect to books dot database, cursor equal connection dot cursor, and before we execute this command, let's commit the command and close the connection. So connection dot commit and connection dot close. And if you notice it here in search function, we don't use the commit method because we didn't change anything in our database. There was no manipulation of our records whatsoever, so we didn't need to confirm our command. We just get some search. And now cursor dot execute update book table set, which is actually the setter. So as you know, it's a mutator. We are using mutator here to set a new value to our record. So set title equal again placeholder, and author equal placeholder, year equal placeholder, and price equal placeholder, where ID equal. So as you see, it's the base of our update is the ID primary key. And here we need to pass our arguments also. Then title, author, parameters actually, and the year, and price, and ID. Alright, and also up there in our function we need to pass our parameter, which is ID and title, author, year, and price. So actually let's uncomment this view, and I save the code one more time. And as you see, we have 3 books. Let's update book 1 and change the price from 100 to let's say, I don't know, let's say to 200. So we can have update book 1, 3 primary key. We should have 1 book 1, and the author is author 1, and the publishing year is 2000. And now instead of 100 we say the book cost, the price is 500, and after we can have again view. Alright, and let's see, I import the OS also so we can clean the screen, and here we have some small delay, time.sleep 2 seconds, and os.system CLS. Hopefully, if I don't have any typo or something, we will have a good result. We will see. Yeah, no, I have some typo. Attribute cursor, yeah, where is it? Of course I have typo here. Cursor. No, it's not cursor, it's good, just cursor. Okay, one more time. Again another typo. Oh. Author, of course, here. Author. So I check one more time, price, year, and everything. Control S. Now I'm going to alright, now you see that we have here book 1 have price 100, and here book 1 have price 500. So our update is working. Now let's have another update. Print also have some space, and instead of book 1, let's take care of book 2, and call it chess, and author will be again Kasparov, and the price and price will be same, 100. Okay, this noise is killing me, really. Okay, alright, now as you see, we could change the name of the book, also the name of the author, and everything else is on its place, same as before. Alright, then our update function is also working as we expected. I can't even talk. And I'm going to remove all this crap from here and save the code. Now almost we are done with our backend script. The only thing remained is exit function, but that we can take care of it later on. And from the next video we are going to develop this function in front end, which is working as a double side. One side is taking care of our commands in our buttons here, and from another side they are working as a connector between front end and back end script. Alright, so that would be all for this video. As always, if you like my tutorial, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching.